Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are in this beautiful master plan community called Marvita in Cypress, Texas. Now, this home that we're viewing is built by Chesmar Homes. It is called the Athens, and it's going to be a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 1 story home, a little over 1,600 square feet. And this particular price point is going to be on the lower end for this master plan community. It's starting at the mid $300,000 range. So if you're looking for a beautiful community for you and your family to enjoy, but don't want to break the bank, then this might be the perfect building for you. The schools that are zoned to this home are very outstanding. They are going to be Walker Elementary School, Rowe Middle School, and Cypress Park High School. If you have any questions regarding the schools, this builder, or this home, or any other real estate questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours. Enjoy the rest of the tour.